Brazil has taken another major step toward transforming its air force for the challenges of the 21st century, announcing plans to acquire 20 additional Saab Gripen fighter jets from Sweden as it accelerates the retirement of its aging fleet of American-made F-5 aircraft. The decision represents one of the most significant military aviation developments in South America in recent years and highlights Brazil's determination to modernize its defense capabilities while deepening its strategic partnership with Sweden. The planned acquisition comes after years of successful cooperation between the Brazilian Air Force and Swedish aerospace manufacturer Saab, whose Gripen E fighter has become the centerpiece of Brazil's future air combat strategy. As regional security dynamics evolve and technological advances reshape modern warfare, Brazilian defense officials believe the additional aircraft will help ensure the country maintains a capable and technologically advanced air force for decades to come. The announcement reflects a long-term modernization effort that began more than a decade ago when Brazil launched its ambitious fighter replacement program. At the time, military planners faced a difficult reality. Much of the nation's fighter fleet relied on aircraft designs dating back to the Cold War era, particularly the Northrop F-5, a lightweight supersonic fighter originally developed in the United States during the late 1950s. Although upgraded multiple times and maintained with remarkable effectiveness by Brazilian technicians, the aircraft was reaching the limits of its operational lifespan. Advances in radar technology, electronic warfare systems, missile capabilities, and network-centric combat operations meant that even extensively modernized F-5s would eventually struggle to compete against newer generation fighters entering service around the world. For decades, the F-5 played a crucial role in Brazil's national defense. The aircraft became a familiar sight in Brazilian skies and earned a reputation for reliability, affordability, and versatility. Brazilian pilots trained extensively on the platform, and maintenance crews developed considerable expertise in keeping the jets operational. Numerous modernization programs extended the aircraft's service life well beyond original expectations. New avionics, radar upgrades, and weapons integrations allowed the fighters to remain relevant longer than many observers believed possible. Yet despite these improvements, the passage of time ultimately caught up with the venerable aircraft. Defense analysts have long warned that maintaining older fighter fleets becomes increasingly expensive and operationally challenging. Spare parts become harder to obtain, maintenance requirements grow more intensive, and technological limitations become more difficult to overcome. Modern air combat increasingly depends on advanced sensors, data sharing networks, electronic warfare systems, and long-range precision weapons. Aircraft design during the Cold War can be upgraded significantly, but there are practical limits to how much modernization can be achieved within an aging airframe. Brazil's decision to transition toward the Gripen therefore reflects both operational necessity and strategic foresight. The Saab Gripen emerged as the winner of Brazil's highly competitive fighter selection process after years of evaluation and negotiation. The competition attracted some of the most advanced combat aircraft available on the global market. Military officials assessed performance, cost, technology transfer opportunities, maintenance requirements, industrial benefits, and long-term strategic implications. Ultimately, the Swedish fighter was selected because it offered a compelling combination of advanced capabilities, affordability, and extensive industrial cooperation opportunities. One of the most attractive aspects of the Gripen program for Brazil has been the emphasis on technology transfer and local participation. Unlike traditional defense procurement arrangements where equipment is purchased and delivered with limited domestic involvement, the Gripen partnership was designed to help strengthen Brazil's aerospace industry. Brazilian engineers, technicians, and aviation specialists have worked closely with Swedish counterparts throughout the development and production process. This collaboration has enabled valuable knowledge transfer while creating opportunities for Brazilian companies to participate directly in manufacturing and support activities. The industrial dimension of the agreement has been particularly important for Brazil's broader national objectives. The country has long sought to develop indigenous aerospace capabilities and reduce dependence on foreign suppliers for critical defense technologies. Through the Gripen partnership, Brazilian firms have gained access to advanced engineering practices, manufacturing techniques, and systems integration expertise. These benefits extend beyond military aviation and contribute to the growth of Brazil's high-technology industrial base. The decision to purchase an additional 20 Gripen fighters suggests that Brazilian defense planners are highly satisfied with the results achieved thus far. Initial deliveries of Gripen aircraft have demonstrated impressive performance during training exercises and operational evaluations. Pilots have praised the aircraft's advanced avionics, intuitive cockpit design, and powerful sensor suite. Maintenance personnel have also reported positive experiences regarding supportability and operational efficiency. These favorable assessments appear to have strengthened confidence in the platform and encouraged the government to expand the fleet beyond its original acquisition plans. Modern fighter aircraft serve purposes far beyond traditional air-to-air combat. They function as sophisticated information-gathering platforms capable of collecting, processing, and sharing enormous amounts of data across military networks. The Gripen incorporates advanced radar systems, electronic warfare capabilities, and communications technologies that enable pilots to maintain situational awareness across vast areas of airspace. Such capabilities are particularly important for Brazil, a nation with enormous geographic dimensions, extensive coastlines, critical infrastructure, and vast natural resources requiring protection.